Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Anthropic Claude in Make.com, quick tutorial step by step clearly.
To begin, sign in to your Make.com account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard.
Click on the Create a New Scenario button. In the New Scenario window, click on the Add a Module option.
Search for HTTP in the module search bar. Select the HTTP module from the list of options. Choose the Make a Request action within the HTTP module. In the Request Type dropdown, select Post. Now, enter the endpoint URL for Anthropic Claude in the URL field. In the Headers section, you need to input the necessary authorization details. Add a new header named Authorization. In the Value field, enter your API key for Anthropic Claude. Next, you'll need to specify the content type. Add another header named Content Type. Set the value of this header to application/JSON. In the Body section, input your desired JSON payload. Make sure your JSON is properly formatted according to Anthropic's API specifications. Once everything is set, click the OK button to save the module. You can now test the scenario by clicking on the Run Once option. Check the output to ensure that the request has been successfully authorized. If successful, you will receive a response from Anthropic Claude. To finalize, save your scenario by clicking on the Save button in the top right corner. Your Anthropic Claude is now authorized in Make.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.